What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Aviana Zurin, and I'm here at Team Mancuso North because they invited me to come check out the 2022 SeaDoos and to show you guys a quick tour. So what I've got here is the 2022 Fish Pro Scout. They brought out an entry-level ski for all you fishermen. It's designed for you to be able to catch your fish and be able to go out and play with your friends and family. PWC Fishing has been around for a while now, but you've always had to modify your skis to make it fishing friendly. But those days are long gone. SeaDoo has come out with an off the showroom floor, angler friendly ski. So the Fish Pro has been around for a couple years, but what brings out in the new 2022s is that they have 3 models. It is the Fish Pro Scout, which is this one, the Fish Pro Sport, and the Trophy. Now the Scout comes with a 1630 Ace motor and has 130 horsepower. Now, it doesn't seem like a lot, but this is a very lightweight ski because it's on a GTI platform, which has the Polytech hull. Lightweight equals lots of fun. Now come on and walk around with me while I show you what makes this ski good for anglers. All right, so right here, we have the Garmin, which is a fish finder and a GPS. You have your rod holder cup holders, okay? And over here, you have your trolling setting, okay, with IDF. You have the bench seating right here. It allows you to easily move around. Then you have your link cooler. All right, let me show you guys an up-close look at everything that I just mentioned. So, let's talk about the features right here. Now, IDF is fairly new. It was released last year, and let me tell you, I had a chance of trying it out. Now, what does IDF stand for? It stands for Intelligent Debris Freeing Pump System. Now, I was on the SeaDoo switch and we got stuck. We had sucked up something while we were taking pictures by the battleship, and I had to do was just push this button, and then it told me what to do on the display. It literally gives you the commands of what you need to do, and next thing you know, my pump was free. So let me tell you, IDF saved the day. You know what? The new nickname is called the magic button. Right next to it is the speed control. So the speed control will allow for you to control for trolling. Now, we all know that you need trolling mode, especially when you're out fishing. So that's a good feature to have. Okay, and right here we have the lovely rod holder. It can go on this side, on the other side, or even on the back side of the coolers. And you can put a cup holder here. You gotta make sure you stay hydrated. Sometimes it's good to have your hands free and just relaxing, kicking back, and waiting for your fish to bite. Shoot, have about 4 lines out. So on this side you have the throttle, and on this side you have the IBR, okay? Now, what is IBR? It stands for Intelligent Braking and Reverse. And let me tell you, if you're hauling butt and you hit that brake, you better make sure you hold on, and especially tell your passenger to hold on. All right, and take a look at this bench seating. Now, it has this slip-proof material, and it's a 3-seater. So They don't have one in between here, especially you want to create a bench seating so you can sit sideways and be able to slide back and forth if you need to get into your cooler or to your other fishing rods, or just to get relaxed and comfortable on here. Let me talk to y'all a little bit about these cup holders. These are my favorite things on my GTX right now. I installed them there. They don't normally come on a GTX, but I say it is really worth it. If you have an RXT or a Wake Pro or a GTX, I highly recommend it. I went even across to Bimini in the open water through some waves, big wakes, choppy water, and my cup did not move. With the proper cup, you can rest assured your drink is not gonna go anywhere. P.S. This is just the cover that's on there. Let me just remove it real quick. So, look at that screen. I think I'm gonna install one on my ski. Let's take a close look at the glove box. It's pretty deep. You can hold several bottles of water, several phones, sunglasses, cameras, and you also have your watertight, waterproof compartment here with a foam to prevent shock. And this compartment is pretty big. Okay. All right, you have your front storage compartment, and you can hold a lot of stuff in here, especially if you pack it in properly. And right over here is where you will insert your fuel. When I first got my RXP, I thought it was gonna be a little hard, especially I'm short, to refuel while on the water, but it's not that hard. Actually, I just put my fuel jug right on top right here and just let it pour in. It's super easy to use. Now this one is a 15.9 gallon tank. Now you're probably wondering, why isn't it as big as the other ones, like the Wake Pro or the GTX or the RXP? Well, this one is a naturally aspirated ski. Now, if you're new to skis, you're probably wondering, what is naturally aspirated? Naturally aspirated in short terms is that it doesn't have a supercharge and it's really good on fuel efficiency. It even takes 87 octane, man. And we all know fuel is getting pretty pricey, so having an 87 octane naturally aspirated ski means that you get longer distance, you're not in boost. So to sum it all up, you won't have to break the bank with spending on fuel just to have fun on this ski. This cooler is 13.5 gallons, plenty of space to hold some cold drinks, your snack, and to bring the fish home. And look, they included a nice ruler so you can measure your fish. And a slip-proof top. These brackets here are to add additional link items if you'd like more rod holders, cup holders, just basically a bunch of stuff. Tackle boxes and everything. Basically, you can DIY anything to hold, especially with all these mounting points. All right, so we have back here the boarding ladder. Now, this boarding ladder comes in clutch, especially when you're in deep water. You don't have to try to climb in through the side or grab in and pull yourself up. You have the IBR bucket back here that controls for braking and reverse. All right, so let me show you how easy it is to unmount it and mount it back up. I'm just gonna push these levers, lift it up, and then slide it over, lift it up, slide it over, and it's off. So take a look at that back deck real quick. These are the link mounts that you would attach any of the link accessories, which you can find at your local dealership or on the SeaDoo website. And also you can, when you're not out fishing and you want to hang out with your friends and family, you can add a ski pylon. You can either put the pylon right here, or you can hook a towable back here. All right, let's put it back on. Just put it right back on top. So after walking around, I want to give y'all my opinion. I actually think this is a good idea, especially for an entry-level new person that wants to get into the PWC world, or just into fishing and contemplating, should they get a boat or should they get a PWC? The SeaDoo Fish Pro Scout is priced appropriately and affordable. It already comes with everything that you'll need to start off with, especially with this Garmin. You can't get lost. And let's face it, the goal is everybody just wants to be out on the water as fast as they can to catch fish. And another thing is storage. You can easily store this in your garage at home and avoid having to pay storage fees and still have space for your vehicle in your garage. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Go check it out for yourself at your local dealership. And also, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. That's the like button that's right there. It really helps out the channel. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. But I will be doing more additional videos. You can see it on the playlist for the 2022 SeaDoos, and the link should be above here. But I guess until next time, see y'all on the water.